Ito na yung pizza. This is my ingredients. Ground pork, onions, bell pepper, and of course, the cheese. Let's go, guys. We saute the ground pork for the pizza with bell pepper and onions. Finish to saute. Spread the ketchup. Then I put the ingredients. The ground pork and the pepper. After this, I put the onions. Onions. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And after that, I put a Toppoli cheese. Many cheese. Many cheese is yummy. Okay guys, lutuin na natin. This is it. And then pag gusto po natin, gamitan po natin. Gamitan po natin siya ng fire para maluto po siya nasa ibabaw. Para lalo po siyang